Attention please. Wildlife Express, bound for conservation station, will be arriving at around the station in 1 minute.
Okay, take your hands off the gate. Everybody can walk.
You want to go on the train? Yeah! I want to go on the train.
There's no fishing, smoking, or camping. And please do not sing until it's time for a living train.
It's already 4. So, you guys are listening to the
Please remain seated at all times, keeping your arms, legs, hands, feet inside the train. Yeah, hold on.
That was very impressive.
Alright everyone, we are on our way now to Conservation Station, also known as Rafiki Planet Watch. At Conservation Station is where you can see Affection Section, which is our petting zoo. Great area for children. We also have some animal exhibits there, presentations to the animal hospital, characters to meet and greet, and much more. Now remember, this train is only transportation service to get you to Rafiki's and to bring you back. It will not be stopping anywhere else in the park. Nor can you get anywhere else in the park from Rafiki. The only way in and out is through the train. So if you thought this was a safari ride or a tour ride, you're wrong. It's only transportation. Now those pictures that you see back there gives you an idea of what Rafiki's Planet Watch is all about. We're going to be going through the backside of Africa to get there.
maybe I think the planet.
Every evening all our animals are brought into their homes. These are the homes where they sleep at night and where they're fed. Backstage area homes to some of the animals. The first homes you're going to see belong to the hookstock, the warthogs, and the lions. Folks, please remember you must remain seated at all times. Everyone in the front row must remain seated at all times, please. If you have a small child, make sure this child remains seated either on the seat next to you or on your lap. The next set of homes you're going to see belong to the white rhinos, the cheetahs, and the African elephants.
I guess they decided to stay home sick today.
They do it pretty much what they please. If they don't want to come out in the morning, they don't have to come out in the morning.
We'll be arriving now at Conservation Station. Remain seated, please, until the train has come to a full and complete stop and the doors have been opened for you. Do not open those doors. We will open them for you. Don't forget your personal belongings behind you. Hold small children by the hands when exiting, folks. If you have a stroller, please do not unfold it on the platform. Wait until you pass the exit gates before doing so. Enjoy your visit here at Rafiki's Planet Watch. Remain seated, please, until So the train is completely stopped and we've opened those doors for you.
Planet Watch almost seems somewhat like a waste of space, man. Planet Watch almost seems somewhat like. Yeah, I was gonna say. Just a bed. Just a random hut in the woods. I think we get the idea.
Okay, folks, at this point in time, we are approaching Broadway Station. So we will ask that everyone please remain seated until we have come to a full and complete stop. Please do not attempt to open any doors. We will open them for you when it is safe to do so. And please do not unfold strollers until you are across the yellow line of the exit area.
What's it called? It's way darker out here than